My name is Tanvi. I go to Scarsdale High School, and for my starter project I did the TV Begon, which is a device that allows you to turn on or off almost any TV, and it uses infrared light to do this. So what happens is when you put in the batteries, this green LED turns on and off to let the person who's using the device know that it's on, and then the current flows through a resistor, which reduces the current, and then the current goes to these capacitors, and what these capacitors do is they reduce the high frequency noise that naturally comes with batteries, and it allows the DC current to keep flowing to this ceramic oscillator. And what the ceramic oscillator does is it converts the DC current into AC current, which is alternating current. And this is important because the alternating current acts sort of like a sine wave, which has a constant frequency, which allows the microcontroller to keep time with the TV it's being pointed at. And so the microcontroller is also pre-programmed with input-output directions for the transistors. And so there are 5 transistors, and each of them have 3 terminals. One terminal where the current goes in, one terminal where the current is modified based on the directions from the microcontroller, and one terminal where the current leaves. So depending on when the transistors flip based on their directions from the microcontroller, these 4 transistors either allow current to flow to the LEDs, allowing them to emit infrared light, or they don't let current flow, which inhibits the infrared light from being emitted from these LEDs. So there's also a switch over here, and when you hold the switch down, that kind of puts the microcontroller to sleep, resetting the whole device, and when you release it, this process starts from scratch.
1.
So some challenges I faced were I incorrectly soldered the microcontroller, so it was facing the wrong direction, and this was a very crucial part for the whole thing, because when I did that, when I tried to put the batteries in, the whole device overheated, which kind of shows how the placement of each part is very important. So to fix this problem, I attempted to desolder the microcontroller, but that did not work, so I ultimately started from scratch. And yeah, I fixed my mistake the next time.